Committee on Civil Societies Kangleipak CCSK expressed grave concern of the unceasing influx of foreign nationals into Manipur, triggered by prolonged instability in neighboring Myanmar. In a press statement issued on Monday, the committee pointed abnormal growth in population and sudden proliferation of new villages across the state over recent decades as undeniable proof. The apex body criticized authorities for long-standing policy failures, asserting that the state's failure to address illegal immigration has severely compromised the demographic balance and long-term security of indigenous population. Taking a firm stance against current government initiatives, CCSK sharply admonished state administration for blindly following central directives and failing to effectively advocate for local interests. Demanding an immediate halt to all ongoing census operations and housing surveys, the committee insisted that NRC must be updated first to properly identify and deport illegal foreign nationals. Warning that public patience has reached its limit and that widespread civil agitation is imminent, CCSK issued a passionate call to all hill and valley communities to unite in safeguarding the rights and political future of coming generations.